A complete financial reset is happening. The previous banking system, the previous definition of what we understood of money is changing forever. And if you're bullish on XRP Ripple at $83 billion in market cap, all-time highs around 100, if not close to 200 billion market cap, you should also be bullish on Xcn Onyxcoin, the Goliath update, the ultimate ledger, which even improves on the XRPL, the XRP ledger. The greatest wealth transfer is about to take place, and a lot of people have left the market. No retail interest is here. Look at the chart, guys. This orange line going down right here, burgundy. What color is that? Doesn't matter. Look at how it's fallen off a cliff. It's not even almost. This was months ago. It's more than likely that it's negative right now. That it's even below this white line to show the retail interest has left. No one is here. There's no new participants, and if they are new, it's less than 1% of people that are showing up to the space right now, right? And all what we saw this bull run was just exchanging of hands, right? It was just the same people from the 2021 cycle back here with this big explosive move. It was literally the same people exchanging hands. No new retail interest whatsoever. Why was that? Because we had QT this cycle. We had quantitative tightening. There was an extremely high restriction on money with 5% interest rates, right? 5 or 6%, around 5 to 6% in interest rates, right? They're starting to come down now. When interest rates come lower and then the liquidity floodgates are open, that's when we're going to see the biggest altcoin season that we've ever seen, in my opinion. This next bull run is going to be the biggest bull run, right? Bitcoin right now is at 70,000. We're in extreme fear 11. People in my comment section are saying Onyxcoin is going to zero. This is the time you buy. This is when you buy. Not when everyone is happy. Not when Onyxcoin was at 0.02 in price and went all the way up to 0.3. That's not when you buy. You buy now. You buy when nobody's bullish. You buy when everyone is fearful. When we're in extreme fear, that's when you buy. And then when fear and greed goes back to greed, or extreme greed in the green over here, that's when you take profits. It's all psychological. Onyxcoin right now sitting at just under 192 million market cap, 0.051 in price. I think 100,000 Onyxcoin XCN is the way to go. 100,000 XCN is the way to go. I know a lot of people don't have a ton to invest. Some people are going to aim for 1 million XCN. I respect it. As long as you don't invest more than you're willing to lose, right? Because 1 million XCN could pay off, extremely well in the future, right? Obviously, nothing is guaranteed. But I think this is one of the better altcoins because it has actual utility. It's actually trying to scale. It actually has fundamental and use case. And if you're bullish on XRP and you're looking for a catch-up trade, even maybe a successor, something that could be hand in hand or direct levels in comparison to XRP, XCN could be that coin. I really do think so. When I look at the retail interest of XCN, the people that are invested here are people that love XRP, right? When XRP exploded, that's when XCN exploded, right? It was around the same time frame. So I'm telling you, I think XRP could be, $100 billion coin, right? I think $1 is possible here. But this is long term, okay? This is not this year or next year. This is going to be a patient, just like how people, held Bitcoin till it went to 100,000 and they were holding under a $5,000 Bitcoin, right? They held until it went to 100,000 for years, right? Now they're billionaires. That's how you have to approach this space. You have to look at it from a longer term time frame. Now, obviously, there could be quick trades to get, some money to then reinvest into long-term investments. I do that all the time, right? But when you're, trading projects with real utility, investing in projects with real utility and value like XCN, you be patient, right? And I think 100,000 XCN is a great investment to make, right? So from Jinx, XCN, anything that annoys you is for teaching you patience, right? You can't expect the big gains without the pullbacks. You can't expect big upside moves without downturns, right? You cannot expect that, right? So now that XCN is going down and people are giving up on it, calling it, saying it's going to zero, I think now is the best time to dollar cost average into XCN. Unphased in our lane and building XCN Goliath. When that goes live, it's gonna be freaking crazy, right? It's gonna be, it's gonna be something that changes crypto as we know it. From Opa, new month, fresh energy. A month gone in Q1. With every week that passes means we're getting closer to Goliath. Definitely excited for what's to come. I am too, man. From Money Things, XCN, nothing has changed for the last 4 days. But Money Things is looking for a breakout of this wedge, right? And we're still in the wedge. It's patience, man. You DCA, you be patient. From Cryptology, in the most bearish scenario, XCN has a 3 to 5 pump in it. Even more than that. He's probably talking short term. The Goliath mainnet will launch this March, and Onyx is set to announce partnerships in the coming months. Now imagine what could happen if the market sentiment gets bullish and we enter the super cycle. Don't sleep on it. Even if we don't enter a super cycle, whenever Bitcoin does bottom, it could be 60K, 50K, I don't care. I'm gonna DCA into these projects with great utility, great value. Gonna DCA into them because whenever we turn bullish again and we enter the next phase of the bull run, the new bull run, the super cycle, whatever you want to call it, that's gonna be a bull run with QE, quantitative easing. The liquidity floodgates will be open, and that's where millionaires will be made in this space, right? This previous cycle, we barely saw what we saw in 2021. There was no new retail interest, no new money, just the same money from the previous cycle from 2021 exchanging hands. This next cycle will have new retail, a ton of them, mass adoption from BlackRock, tokenization of assets, and multiple different ETF companies, TradFi. All of that is taking place for the next cycle. Whenever it starts, whenever we're bullish again, whenever that begins, and you don't want to miss that. So now's the time to dollar cost average when prices are going down. That's when I started to talk about the project. Not when everybody's happy, the price is super high. When the price is down, I brought it to my channel because I see a good entry and I'm taking good entries, right? So as always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next